you love skincare, so what I can recommend is the Iskitsu. This is the good one. And then some of the serum. I use that every morning. And then the serum. What I did use for the serum is the Clarins. This one, because it helps for the inflammation. This one. This Clarins serum. This is real good. And then for my cream, the Tatcha is the best. Dewy skin. This is very moisturizer if you are dry skin. Okay, guys. And then I got so many I can recommend that I already use it and I already know how it works based on my experience anyway. And this one, Shishido, this is the serum one, is the best one. So I alternate the Clarins and this one. So for the primer, of course, this Tatcha. This is a good one. Oh, for the